Together AI has been gaining traction as a model hosting platform, but does it really deliver on its promises? Today, we're diving into its core features, user experience, and whether it's truly worth your time and investment. So, what exactly is Together AI? At its core, it's a platform designed for hosting AI models seamlessly, making it easier for developers and data scientists to deploy and manage their models. The user interface is fairly intuitive, which is a big plus for those who might not be as tech savvy. You can quickly upload your models and get them running without diving deep into complex configurations. However, while the setup process seems straightforward, some users might find the documentation a bit lacking. There are moments where you wish for clearer guidance, especially if you're troubleshooting an issue. It targets developers looking for a hassle-free hosting solution, but I can't help but feel that advanced users might find some features a bit basic. The platform also emphasizes collaboration, which is great, but the specifics on how that works in practice could be more transparent. Now let's talk about what works and what doesn't. On the plus side, the user-friendly interface is genuinely a standout feature, making it accessible for beginners. The ability to quickly deploy models is a time saver that many will appreciate. However, transparency is a concern. The documentation could use some improvements, leaving users in the dark at times. Pricing is another area where clarity is needed. There's not a lot of information available up front, which could frustrate potential users who want to budget their expenses. Additionally, while it's great for novice developers, more experienced users might find it lacking in advanced features or customization options. Overall, it seems like a solid choice for those just starting out, but might not fully satisfy seasoned professionals. In conclusion, Together AI is worth considering if you're a beginner looking for an easy way to host AI models. However, if you're more advanced or require extensive features, you might want to explore alternatives. It has potential, but transparency and depth are areas that need attention before it can truly compete in the market.